Political war, political war, political war, political war. I remember when I was younger, the politicians came to my valley. They wanted my parents to vote for them, and my daddy said no, no, I don't want to vote for them. Political war, political war, political war, political war.
And all the hopes and promises of better life and education, good road security didn't come my way. It sounds so far away. And all the governors and ministers, presidents and many wise colleges and everybody running out of skelter didn't come my way, they're far away.
Political war, political war, political war, political war. I remember when I was younger, my daddy disappeared from his friends and family. He was taken to fight the political war. Another sacrifice for the political war.
And I remember they did the same in Nigeria. I remember they did the same in Liberia.
I don't want to see my people dying for political war. I don't want to see that again, to see that.
Why are my people so dying for political war? Why do I see that again, see that again, see that?
Political war, 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 political war. Political war.